Hi, I'm Tia Perkin, and today I'm going to give you a step-by-step on how to draw this very simple, very adorable ghost from my book, Halloween.
We're going to start off by making sort of a little bell curve here. So go ahead and make them nice and tall and skinny. This will be our little ghost's body. And then on each side, we're going to connect them by making 3 little curves. And then we're going to go ahead and draw these really narrow ovals. We're going to put them really close together. And then on the side, we're just going to kind of trace the edge here and give it just a little bit of depth. Then we'll do a broad curve here for our smile, just right below those ovals, those eyes. And we'll bring it, drop down a little curve on either side here. And then we'll do another kind of an upside down bell curve for our smile. And then we'll go ahead and we're going to add a little depth here at the bottom. So we're just going to take and give him a couple little bumps here at the bottom. Those are the back side of his kind of little sheet. So we're going to connect that up here, but using not a pen. For this, we're just going to kind of use a colored pencil so that it looks a little more see-through like a ghost. And just connect them again right up at the curve there. And then we will go ahead and color.
Now you can scare your friends with your very own spooky ghost. Thanks for joining me today. Next time we're going to make a Halloween spider craft. Check me out on Etsy where you'll find materials for some of these crafts. Check out Amazon.com where you'll find copies of Halloween. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.